What the heck? Go buy and eat 200 tacos from a local restaurant in Mexico? Okay, let's go. So I went to my favorite taco place in Tulum, and that's exactly what I did. I thought the waiter would be in shock, but he really didn't care. And after waiting about 10 minutes, the food started coming to the table plate by plate. I didn't realize how many tacos 200 was until they were all sitting in front of me. Obviously, I can't eat all 200 by myself, so I asked a couple of friends to help out. And together we started eating them one after another after another. It didn't take that long until we started feeling really sick, and we eventually realized that it was impossible and we couldn't finish them all. Tried our best, we come so far, but in the end, it doesn't really matter.